Need a high-torque beast that won't back down from lug nuts, bolts, or steel? The Makita XWT08T 18-volt LXT brushless impact wrench might just be what your tool bag is missing. With up to 1,180 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, a brushless motor, and a 3-speed control, this cordless monster is built for mechanics, metal workers, and heavy-duty jobs. So let's find out if the XWT08T is still worth your money. First impressions. The first impression? It's solid, powerful, and purpose-built. At around 9 inches long and a little over 7 pounds with battery. This isn't designed for finesse, it's made for force. The grip is well-balanced and comfortable for a high-torque tool. And Makita's rubberized overmolding gives you a good hold even when you're gloved up. Key features: 740 foot-pounds, fastening torque, 1,180 foot-pounds breakaway torque, 3-speed control, half-inch friction ring anvil, brushless motor, cordless and compact, only 9 inches long but powerful. Performance. In real-world testing, this wrench easily tackled lug nuts, structural bolts, and pipe flange work without breaking a sweat. The 3-speed power selector makes it surprisingly versatile. You're not over-torquing on delicate work, but you've got the muscle when you need it. And thanks to the brushless motor, it stays cool even during heavy extended use. Pros and cons. Pros: extreme torque output, brushless motor cooler, longer runtime, 3-speed control for better accuracy, no cords, no compressor needed, heavy-duty build quality for pros. Cons: heavier than mid-range models, pricey for occasional DIYers, maybe overkill for light-duty use. The Makita XWT08T isn't just strong, it's smart. You get beastly torque, runtime, and control all in a cordless format that saves space and setup time. Yes, it's an investment, but for the right user, it pays off big time in speed, efficiency, and convenience. And if this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more tool reviews every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.